In this lesson, we're going to work on a decimal word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna had 3.52 grams of chocolate. She ate 1.2 grams of chocolate. How much chocolate did Sienna have left? So the first thing is to rewrite the problem into a subtraction. And remember to line up the decimal points. Okay, so this is how it will look all lined up. So you take the 3.52, you subtract the 1.2, and make sure that the decimal is lined up. Okay, and don't worry about this blank space here. That just means 0. It's the same as 1.20. 1.2 is the same as 1.20. So remember your place value, right? So these are the hundredths, these are the tenths, these are the ones, okay? So the next thing to do is subtract each place value, starting with the lowest place value first. So you start with this and you move that way, okay? So let's do the first one. Subtract the hundredths. Subtract 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we move on to the tenths. Subtract the tenths. Subtract 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Remember to carry down the decimal. Okay, that's very important. Otherwise, your answer won't be correct. The next thing to do is subtract the ones. 3 minus 1 is 2. So Sienna has 2.32 grams of chocolate left after she ate 1.2 grams. So that's the whole answer. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you need more help, you could look at the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow in the ebook this exact lesson. You can watch the video as you read the ebook. And if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.